and movement on highways, roads, and streets open to the public. Further, notes that Section 49, Sub 1 of the Police Act 2020 as amended empowers the police to conduct stop and search, while Subsection 2 empowers them to search and detain any person or vehicle where reasonable grounds for suspicion exist. Observe that Nigerian police force, which has one of its primary duty to facilitate the free passage and movement of commuters and motorists on public roads, has taken undue advantage by resorting to extortion, intimidation, and harassment of motorists. And worried that the continuous intimidation, harassment, torture that ordinary Nigerians pass through in the hands of these security agencies, especially Nigerian Police Force, accordingly resolves to mandate the Inspector General of Police and heads of other security agencies to direct their officers and men to stop forthwith the extortion, intimidation, and harassment of motorists and commuters on the highways.
What I saw in the social media, where a human being was handcuffed and a vehicle passed or was drove on that person, is highly inhuman. And this Senate, the highest assembly in this country, must get rid of that matter. We should not leave it to be investigated by the police alone. We must investigate. We can't allow this kind of thing to continue. Those who have hands, the man who drove that vehicle, and those who were around, we must get them and we must investigate this matter. And besides that, we should call on the IG. The extortion going on our highways should stop.